This is the Ecoroad EC8 scooter. You can go up a hill, a 15% incline, 15 to 18 mile range with an 18 to 19 mile per hour speed. We're going to show you everything possible in this review. Your Ecoroad EC8 scooter is going to come in a nice package box and show you how we're going to unwrap it and display it. Removing the contents from the box, your charging cable, power supply. Removing the tools and the instruction guide, blue Loctite 4 screws to put your handlebar, your extended cable for your valve to add air, 3 different Allen key tool to assemble. The EC8 guide on how to charge your battery and assemble and care for your scooter. The center styrofoam is protecting the tube. Remove. Grab the handle and the bar and lift out and remove the next styrofoam. And on the front, remove the front styrofoam. Carefully grab the front and lift up and lift the whole scooter out. And last but least is your accessory pouch with your spare parts. Discard the plastic and get ready for assembly. We have an LED indicator of red and green, green for fully charged. Plug in your power supply. Plug in your dead cable to the IP rated plug and allow it to charge up to a few hours, 4 hours. Assembly is made very easy by taking the handlebars and correctly turning it the correct way, pushing in the leads into the center bar and tucking in. With carefully lifting the bar into the handlebar, allowed to rotate sideways, grabbing the set screws, the headlight adjusting to the front to the ceiling, and looking for the holes, put in your set screws. With the tool, the center long bar allows to lock the screws down and set into place. You take the 2 remaining screws on the opposite side and you do the same. You start to set into place. The process takes no more than 5 minutes to do. Your handlebars are completed and the system has a locking mechanism located over here. And you're simply going to press down, snaps into place, and then when you want to release, you simply push down, with your fingers lift up and away. Remember to remove all stickers on the scooter, like the one in the back. To lock the main pole is to lift up on the release level, these are the locking tabs, and lift up. A close-up shot of it snapping into place and locking down by a simple press. On this side, the opposite side, is your locking tab to release and pull to close down. And again, just simply lock it into place and you could now carry a scooter anywhere imaginable. It weighs up to about 25 plus pounds. Let's go over some of the measurements of the scooter. You have an 18-inch step and it measures across 6 inches and it measures the height of 44 inches and the length of 43 inches about. And you have a nice skid-proof plate on top, your charging area with a door to close, and the bottom has ridges that is made of plastic and weather sealed for your battery and electronics. On the handle, you have your logo of Ecoroad. You have nice large handles with LED lights, your front handbrake, your left and right turn signals, and on the other side, your throttle and your locking mechanism on the rear tail wheel, which will give you a closer look. With wires running through the stem to the bottom and out carefully and with wire wrap. On the opposite side will be your air valve and your wiring to the front hub, 350 watt, with reflectors on each of the sides. Self-adhesive reflectors with the bolts to take off your front hub, the aluminum alloy body. We have here is your back brake system, your disc brake with the 10-inch plus wheel rear reflectors, and your hex bolts to change out your rear tire as well. With a nice close-up look at the rear, this is your dual rear suspension. Your adjustable disc brakes located right over here. Just simply rotate, move if ever need to be adjusted. The EC8 by Ecoroad can hold up to 264 pounds of weight. It has a maximum speed of 19 miles per hour, and you could change the controller from kilometers to miles per hour. It also has a range of 15 through 18 miles of the maximum range on a battery that can be charged up to 4 hours. 5 to 6 inch spring-loaded kickstand folds into the body with the front and rear 10-inch pneumatic tires, a 350 watt hub with the 15% hill incline. You'll go up the hill, down the hill with ease. This is the EC8, maximum speed 19 miles per hour, 264 pounds with a lithium battery of 36 volts, 7.8 amp hours, 288 watt hour at 42 volt, 1.5 amp input. We'll go over the top of the controls for you so you get to see what it looks like. Please peel off the protective film on the front. It is a black piano type finish, glossy. This is the on. 1, 2, 3. It'll go on. It lights up with a whole bunch of overlays. We are on walk mode with 5 LED increments, 20% power per 0 miles per hour. The on and off button, double press, it changes to the eco mode, 9 miles per hour. Double press, it changes to D as in dog mode, 15 miles per hour. Double press, it changes to S mode, super mode, which is 18, 19 miles per hour. And then if you single press, it turns on the headlight in the front and off. Triple pressing will get you from miles per hour to kilometers, 1, 2, 3. And change it back again by 1, 2, 3. If you press it 4 times, it gets off of cruise control to manual mode, 1, 2, 3, 4. You hear a single beep and then 1, 2, 3, 4, a double beep back to cruise control. Disabling 0 to start is a 5-button press, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to do that again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you get a single beep. While in the on position, you have a slow flashing red light, and pressing on the brake, you have a flash flashing red light, and single pressing on the light, the back light will always be flashing while the front light is on. On the handlebars making a right turn is an orange amber light with a beep, audible beep, and a left turn, an audible beep. And you have a bell. With a single press of the light, the sides do not light up for display. I stand 6 feet tall, and I stand on the scooter like so. We have a helmet. We have a walk me mode. Simply turn the scooter on, press the throttle, and it walks up to 4 miles per hour. We're going to go demonstrate 9, 15, and 18, 19 miles per hour and give a test run. We're going to show you the left and right lights on. We're going to set it up to go speed, and there you have the light. Going to give it a little ride. And that's how the lights work in the low-level shot. The EC8 is an off-road, on-road vehicle that can ride on grass, gravel, any surface but soft sand. The EC8 is a powerful scooter, 350-watt motor, giving you enough power to climb up to a 15% hill gradually. Accessory pack, you could put your lunch in. You have a rear light on the back, dual disc brake, a dual rear suspension system, reflectors on the side, helmet not included. Enjoy your scooter if this is something that you are after. Oh, a hill. That little bump stopped me. There you go, man. I'm on gravel off-road, as you can see. So I'm able to go and ride on certain things.